Hi everyone. What I'm doing here is changing the sign. We don't celebrate Christmas or Halloween, so we're changing the sign more of like a season type of thing. So fall and winter. You're probably wondering, why did she change the welcome sign? Well, I don't want anything at my front door that says welcome at all. It's just personal reasons. So I have one sign and I transform back to back the fall and the winter, so I wouldn't have to worry about having too many boards around. Let me know which one you guys like. Don't forget to follow and see you next time.